In Vitamin B, we're very independent. We've been in the industry for 15 years. We are an industry leader because we do things the way our global companies do it. Actually, we worked with 3 interns from iAcademy. So far, so great. They've performed really, really well. They're not just smart, they're not just intelligent, but they're also very madiscarte. I think that's one thing that we've noticed. They do beyond their scope of work. They accomplish tasks on time, very, very efficient, and they're also very approachable and they're good-natured overall. They're very holistic. So I think with that, we can easily conclude that iAcademy produces great students, and we're very appreciative of iAcademy for giving us interns as well, because they really help us in terms of our daily tasks. We're on the lookout actually for iAcademy students and graduates. So congratulations to iAcademy.